Excel's autofill feature, which is primarily accessed via the fill handle, is a powerful tool for quickly populating data, filling in sequential series, or copying formulas across cells. This saves significant time and reduces manual data entry errors. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use the fill handle to manually copy cell content, the fill command to automatically copy cell content, and the flash fill to quickly replicate cell content across cells. The fill handle is a small green square located at the bottom right corner of a selected cell or range. You can use the fill handle to copy cell content and create series across cells in a worksheet. Copying content. To copy the content of a cell across cells, do the following. Enter data, which includes text, number, or formula into a cell. Select the cell. Click and drag the fill handle across the cells you want to fill. It can be down, up, right, or left. Excel will copy the content of the selected cell, as you can observe. Creating a series. Excel intelligently recognizes patterns in numbers, dates, days, and months. You can use the fill handle to automatically complete these patterns across cells. Let us illustrate. Patterns in numbers. For sequential numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc., enter the first two numbers, e.g., 1, 2, in adjacent cells. Select both cells. Then drag the fill handle to adjacent cells till you are done. Or, after entering the first number, or enter the first number in a cell, e.g. 1. Select the cell and hold down the Ctrl key. Then drag the fill handle to adjacent cells. Excel will complete this sequence accordingly. If you are repeating the same numbers, e.g. 15, 15, 15, enter the number, e.g. 15, in one cell. Then drag the fill handle to adjacent cells. Excel will repeat the number in the cells. Date patterns. Enter a date, e.g. 1/1/2025. Drag the fill handle to adjacent cells. Excel will automatically fill consecutive dates for you. Days of the week. Enter, for example, Monday in a cell. Drag the fill handle across cells. Excel will automatically fill the remaining days for you. Months of the year. Enter, for example, January in a cell. Drag the fill handle across cells. Excel will automatically fill in the remaining months using the same pattern. To have more control, or when dragging is not practical, you can use the fill command on the Home tab. Let's illustrate how to use this command. Filling in one direction. down or right or up or left. First, enter the initial value or formula in a cell. Select that cell along with the adjacent cells you wish to fill. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, click Fill. Choose down, right, up, or left depending on the direction of your data. The selected data will be automatically filled for you in the direction selected. Using the Series dialog box. For specific number, date, or growth series, the Series dialog box provides fine-tuned control. Let's illustrate. Enter a starting value in a cell. Select the range of cells you want to fill. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, click Fill, then Series. In the Series dialog box, choose rows or columns for the direction. Under Type, select Linear for arithmetic progression, Growth for geometric progression, Date or Autofill. For this practice, select Linear. Set a step value, that is, an increment value, and an optional stop value. Click OK when done. The selected series will populate the selected cells. Take note of the following. If you know the start and stop value, you do not need to select the cell range. Type the start value in the Fill dialog box. Enter the step and stop values. Ensure you selected the direction of the fill, either row or column, before clicking OK. Flash fill was introduced in Excel 2013. Flash fill automatically fills data when it senses a pattern, often eliminating the need for formulas. For example, if you have a column of full names and start typing only first names in an adjacent column, Flash fill can automatically complete the rest. To use Flash fill, start typing data in an adjacent column following a pattern. If Excel detects a pattern, it will offer to autocomplete. Press Enter or Tab to accept. This is the catch. You can use Flash fill to quickly fill data across cells using existing patterns. Assuming you have a list of students' full name and want to split them into first and last name, do the following using Flash fill. Type the content of the first cell under first name. On the Data tab, under the Data Tools group, select Flash fill, or on the Home tab, under Editing group, select Fill, then Flash fill, or press Ctrl plus E on the keyboard. Flash fill is useful and easy to use. Practicing using it on data with different patterns will help you master its usage. In conclusion, Autofill helps you enter and edit data quickly and accurately across cells in a worksheet. By practicing to use each of the fill commands, you quickly become an expert in data entry. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to format numbers in Excel.